So very warm welcome to class 10, and we have already solved half of the pre-board question paper yesterday. Half was left, and which is really needed because grammar portion was done yesterday only. Today we are going to do the writing section part and the literature part. I'm going to discuss, I have discussed few important points many a times, but still I have observed that these things are not been actually followed in that manner what I expect from you all. Yes, I assure you all when you all are going to join the school on 8th of Feb, from 8th of Feb, the hard work which we are going to do behind you all is going to give a good result, really. And when you are going to sit in front of us, we can have an interactive session at that time. We can make you all solve more and more of question papers, sit in the class, we can fully concentrate on our studies, and it will really work a lot. Okay, excuse me just a minute, I just want to shut the door because too much of noise is coming. Yes, now the thing is like that we are going to start with the rest of the portion, and I would like to ask. Yes, so let's start with the rest of the portion, which is which we have to deal with. Okay. I want my other students to get interacted with me so that I can. Yes, Kushal Khajanchi, are you there, beta? Kushal Khajanchi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Kushal, do we know what is the exact correct format of letter writing?
Yes, ma'am.
I mean to say formal letter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, fine. I will share my screen. I will stop share. I will come back to the board first. Is the board visible? Is the board visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I just want to just show you all what mistake you all are committing, right? So this is the margin in your answer sheet. Okay. From where should we start writing, beta? From where should
Ma'am,
we
from the
start
margin.
writing? Yes.
Ma'am, left side.
Ma'am,
From the left side, the margins side.
yes, ma'am, from margin side.
Correct.
On the left side. Without leaving any.
I should not actually disclose the name of the child in the whole class, but yes, I would like to appreciate one of my child of my class. All have written really very well, good job done, but still there are n number of mistakes. You will be seeing कि मैम ने बहुत marks काटे हैं. But there is a reason behind it. I will discuss about it later on. Sambhav Jain. Are you there, Sambhav? Sambhav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
child
ma'am.
has written the exact pattern of formal letter perfectly. Perfectly. The language is so good. that I can understand it is not copied from somewhere. I don't want to actually say, I don't like, because you all are grown up kids, you will be saying कि मैम मैंने भी तो बहुत अच्छा लिखा था, मैंने भी बहुत अच्छा लिखा था. Yes, I really accept, but the child who has done really good is really good. I really appreciate him for this. All have written really very well, but some of the other mistake all have done. Okay. Children, when you are writing the sender's address, you are not leaving a line. I have told you many a times. Date after date, you are not leaving a line. After writing the address to the receiver's address, for example, to the editor I am writing. When I am writing to the editor, whatever is the address, we have to leave one line. No one. Very few students have done that. What they have done, sender's address and the date all together merged, then left one line, then the address, then forgot to leave one line, and subject. Children, I request everyone, subject should be really very catchy. Subject should be really very catchy so that the moment the whosoever XYZ is going to read your letter, it should be so impressive that the moment he starts reading, he or she will want to start reading it, the whole letter. Okay. Now let me see what you all are going to give. Yes. Can you all see the first question? You are Kavish Kavita, resident of Amar Colony, New Delhi. You recently noticed garbage at every nook and corner of your society. Write a letter to the editor of Times of India, New Delhi, emphasizing on the importance of cleanliness amongst people for a healthy life. Right? So I expect, Kushal, can you tell me what can be the subject of this letter? Kushal? 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 Gone. मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी और गायब होना तो जरूरी है. This is important really, ना? ऋषि संचेती. ऋषि संचेती.
Ma'am, his audio is not connected.
Whose audio, beta? ऋषि.
Ma'am, Rishi's.
अच्छा. Fine. These are the cleverness of my lovely students. Raj Jain. Raj Jain. Are you there? Are you there, Raj? Raj? Unbelievable, na? Disgusting. Nishi Kochar? Nishi? Nishi? Naitik? 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 Yes, beta. At least. You are there, na? Beta, can you see the question number 6? First one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me the subject of this question?
Ma'am, can I take 1 minute?
Beta, इतने से question के लिए 1 minute.
1 minute.
You will search it out from somewhere.
No, ma'am, 1 minute.
नहीं 1 minute क्यों बेटा? I want the answer first. Taru, can you give me? Taru? Taru, can you give me the answer? Yes, Vardhaman, I'm asking about subject only. Taru? Millie? Millie? Millie?
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
ma'am, the last line, the importance of cleanness amongst the people of the healthy life.
ये आपका सब्जेक्ट.
I'm not
Sorry.
surely, but
No. कैची होना है. It should be confined, catchy, attractive. Rashi? Good job, at least, Natik. You answered that.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just tell me the subject of this letter? What can be the subject?
I have noticed garbage at every nook and corner of my society.
Oh my God. Will this be the subject? Vardhaman?
Ma'am, regarding the issue of garbage gathered at every corner of our society.
Compress it.
Regarding the issue.
Vardhaman, compress the same
Compress.
sentence. Compress the same sentence.
Regarding the issue of gathered garbage in our society.
Beta, concern about the.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes. Try.
Emphasizing the editor means emphasizing the importance of cleanliness.
Bus.
To the editor.
Emphasizing the importance of cleanliness
To the editor.
in the society.
Ma'am, we can also, ma'am, we can also give it as the proper management of garbage. Necessity of proper management of garbage.
Perfect. My point is your subject should be catchy and attractive. Okay. Until unless your topic or the subject is attractive and catchy, that effect doesn't comes in an application. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
I can see many are giving the answers. That's really very good. Concern about cleanliness among the. Yes, Millie Ranka. Good. Garbage in my society. Spelling of society is wrong, beta. Kushal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the format, what comes first, subject or the salutation?
See, before 1 year, it was like salutation, then the subject. Now again, it has been changed.
Yes, that's what I wrote.
No, I have not deducted marks for that. See, both the formats are correct. See, first comes the sender's address, then the date, then the receiver's address, then the subject, then the salutation, or it can be vice versa, salutation, then the subject, then the body, then the closing salutation and end. Clear?
Then both are correct, na?
Both are correct. Because you can see the recent format also. Before last to last year, it got changed. Then again this year, again it has got changed. By subject upar, then the salutation. Okay. So this is what it is. I have not deducted. I have deducted marks for the subject quality. I have deducted marks for the format. I have deducted marks for the handwriting. I have deducted marks for the spelling mistakes. N number of spelling mistakes. Punctuation marks. Clear? Now I will ask next question to Astha Goel. Astha, Asta,
Yes, ma'am.
how can you
Yes,
make
ma'am.
the application attractive? How to start the application? Can any one of you, first you tell me, then I will ask others. You tell me how can we start it? Don't feel bad, huh? Mane, you are free to express your views. If you don't know, then also tell me ki nahi,
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
I'm not. But don't feel like ki ma'am
Ma'am,
ne
can I
sabko
think and
हाँ, you just take your time.
tell you for one?
30 seconds take time. Anyone else in the meanwhile? Anyone else would like
Yes,
to
ma'am.
speak?
Can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, what I
Um,
think is,
we
I
can
can,
write that.
Just a second, one by one, both of you are going to speak out. No issues. Just few seconds apart. How? Any one of you start? Now what happened?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Um, Viram, speak
ma'am,
out.
you only tell.
Viram, first you speak out, then Harshit.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what I think is we can start there. This is so and so from so and so colony. And then we can put that I want to highlight that issue, or I want to put light on this topic, that this and this are my problem. So from the windows of your
Wait, Viram. I just want a catchy line to start the application. Start the application. I want a catchy line. Yes, Gaurav want to speak out something. Gaurav?
Ma'am, can I?
Huh? Everyone will speak. I want to listen. We can get a better line. Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Just tell your name and start.
ma'am, I asked the question.
Start.
Ma'am, I want to say that we can add that sir or ma'am, I want to attract your attention towards me. That's my problem is so on, and my name is then our introduction.
Nahi bacha. Wait, Asta. Huh? Wait, I will
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
you.
I'm Harshit Jain.
Next, Harshit.
I'm Harshit Jain.
Hmm.
Ma'am, we can start with due respect. I so and so, a, a citizen of so and so city, and wanted to tell about so and so.
Anyone else? Wait, let us see. Anyone else? Just speak out, beta, without typing. You can speak also. Millie, speak out. Millie, then Ayush. Yes.
Ma'am Gaurav.
Gaurav.
Ma'am, through your well-known daily newspaper, I am responsible citizen of the country and of
Got it. Just
wants to
speak out
wants
once
to
again. Speak out once again.
through your well-known daily newspaper, I, a responsible citizen of the country and of my society, wants to take your attention toward the general public problem which is being faced by our society for the cleanliness.
Perfect. Very good. So we got a line, children, isn't it? All of us? Can we note it down? All of you? You can note it down. Gaurav, you can just type it in the message and just float it so that everyone can note it down. Okay, so this type of discussion will develop our knowledge to how to write a letter. Okay, it should be attractive, my dear children. I know you all write really very well, but still we need to garnish it nicely. Now we come to the body part. I'm just discussing. Okay, I'm not trying to make you all feel कि मैम ये क्या हो रहा है. I just want to discuss with you all children. Next body part. Who will tell me? How can we show the actual problem or the issue in our society? Who can just tell me? Let us discuss. Any one of you?
I'm awareing you about the fact that this present pandemic is not under control. Proper cleanliness, sanitization, garbage and waste management problems are also being observed near our area. Then from windows of your newspaper, I would like to light on the garbage problem in our area. Every nook and corner is full of garbage in our area. I humbly request you for this favor. Hopefully, then I concluded it.
Now see children, in an application now, first you have introduced that you are a responsible citizen. And what you want to show, the problem what you all are facing. Okay. So the problem has to be highlighted. What all problems are there? Fine. Then you have to request that X and Y person that to look the problem as a serious issue and sort it out so that the thinking, the thought, the positivity what our country is willing for, right, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan can be followed forever, and which is going to really work out for all the citizens, all the country members, and to live a healthy life. So what we did, बहुत साफ दिमाग से सोचो. We have introduced ourselves, then we have tried to show the problems, the situations what we all are facing. Then we are highlighting the things in front of that person. We want to make him see the problems what we all are facing too much. Then the solution, and then an overwhelming sentence should be there that yes, you have to assure that paper, that editor, that yes, through your newspaper only it is possible कि we can move ahead in life, right? So आपको एक पॉजिटिव नोट के साथ एप्लीकेशन को कंप्लीट करना है. हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, we have to give solution also.
Not, we cannot give solution. We will just discuss our view to that person and request him or her to sort out the issue through the newspaper only. And you are having that faith on that newspaper, on that person, that's why you are writing this request letter. Okay? It is a kind of a request. We cannot order the person. Children are writing many words that I have seen कि आप order दे रहे हैं. हम किसी को order नहीं दे सकते हैं application. It is always a request. Okay, child? Similarly,
yes,
let us talk about the second option. This letter is also written. You are Shalini or Shashank living at so and so place. You have noticed that children are working tea stalls, begging at intersections, etc. means child labor. Now I directly come up because only 6 minutes are left. I directly come up. The format is very clear to you all. I want a very catchy line for this particular letter. Now I would like to listen from my girls. Gitika. Gitika, are you there? No. Nandika? Nandika?
Ma'am.
Nandika, can you give me some catchy line for this particular letter for child labor part?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can state that the laws that are already there are not being implemented properly, and that people are not aware enough about the laws, neither are the children. So we can start by this, of course, after introducing ourselves first as Shashank or Shalini.
Fine, you are Shalini, a responsible citizen of this particular place. So you want to bring into their notice that as child labor is an offensive act as per the court. Okay, so you need to highlight the court part, means it is an offensive, it's a crime. Child labor is a crime. Okay, so you need to light on that, put a light on that. Okay, so when you're going to introduce the letter, fine, so after introducing yourself you need to introduce the child labor part also, the laws of child labor, then you will start the letter. Fine. Now I just want to conclude with this, because only 3 minutes are left. Children, you really did very well with this analytical paragraph. Many students have written very nicely understood. I have written in many places that comparison study is done really very well, but comparison is not done in that manner. Children, after understanding the graph, you have to compare it and then analyze it and then write it. That is the analytical part. So this type of paragraph I will discuss in my next class about a few analytical paragraphs. In tomorrow's class only I will do this, and we will solve it in the class itself. Okay, any one of the analytical paragraph I will show it to you. First I will forward it to you in the group, and along with that we will solve it in the class. Okay, so what you have to do is, first is the study part, second is the understanding, third is the comparison, fourth is the analyzing. Okay, so this particular paragraph will have 4 parts. Fine. And this 150 words will be divided into 2 parts. 75, 75, or example 100, 100. So this 2 paragraphs will have the 4 division: study, comparison, right? After comparison, analyzing and analytical. Then the result will come. Okay, so tomorrow we will solve it in the class, not this one. I will bring few more analytical paragraphs, right? I will first float that question paper, that particular page in your group, and then we will solve it. Fine? Will it be okay, children? We need to solve it.
Yes.
Fine. Will it be okay with everyone? Moksh, you want to ask something? Moksh, you want to ask something? So I would like to end it up with this, that children, please prepare the videos and send it by today evening. Our principal ma'am wants to see. And second is do participate for the sports event. Fine. And participate in the more and more number. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Arey wah.
Bye, ma'am.
Well, now I heard your sound.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Good day, beta. Bye.